Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make this succulent steak, stay tuned. It's featuring the all-purpose seasoning blend from Sincerely Legenia. You guys go check out her YouTube channel. She makes all kinds of awesome dishes. Her channel is Sincerely Legenia. Let's get started. All right, guys, so we're going to get started with our steaks. Let me show you what I have here. The Showcase Spice, y'all. This is the star of the show. Keto Spice Blends by Sincerely Legenia. I hope you can see that. It's an all-purpose keto seasoning. It's keto and paleo friendly. It's all natural. And this will quickly become your favorite all-purpose seasoning to reach for. It's very flavorful and just packed with vibrant taste to pop in your mouth. So that's the star of the show. And I'm also using this toasted sesame oil. And thank you to Brother Norman and his beautiful wife Barbara for sending this over to me. But this is going to add, some flavor robustness to the steak. Also going to be using some soy sauce, minced garlic, and a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. That always adds something nice. So that's what we're going to start with. So let's get to these steaks. All right, so in a gallon-sized bag, you're just going to add about 1/4 cup of the sesame oil. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're going to use a teaspoon of garlic, and I know it doesn't look like a teaspoon. I don't have it flattened out, so let me flatten it out real quick for y'all. But that's a teaspoon of garlic. And we're going to use 1/2 of a teaspoon of sugar. And we're just going to kind of smush that up. I'm going to go over and clean my steaks off and get them into the bag. And this is the beef chuck underblade boneless steak. I'm just going to put it right into the bag. We are going to season this last, you guys. So we have that good flavor on last, right before it goes into the skillet. I'm going to zip this up, flatten it out, and just shake it around a little bit. Get that marinade all over it. And you can marinate this for 3 to 4 hours for maximum flavor and tenderness. So we're going to get this in the refrigerator. So our steak has been marinating. I am going to put it on this foiled lined plate, and then I'm going to season it with Sincerely Legenia's Keto Spice Blends all-purpose keto seasonings. All right, so I have it here on this plate. And also I have some butter going in my cast iron skillet. You can pierce it however you want to, as many times. I'm going to flip it over now. I'm going to pierce it on this side. I should have pierced it when I had it on this side before, but I did not. All right, guys, so we're getting this steak right in here. And it's been searing for a good 1.5 minutes or 2. Now we're going to flip it. Looking good. We're going to let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes on this side. Close to high heat. Medium, but closer to high heat. And the blood has basically drawn out to this side. And we're going to flip it one more time. And now we're going to bathe it in butter. I'm going to get it right down over in here. I'm going to put some onion in it too. All right, so I put some onion in there. And we're just going to bathe this steak in butter and finish cooking it. I'm going to flip it over. Bathe it some more. I'm going to remove this from the eye. I'm going to sit it onto another platter, put aluminum foil on top of it, and let it rest. And here it is. I put the onions and juice on top. I'm going to cover it loosely with foil. Let it rest. So it has been resting for 15 minutes. And I also put some parsley flakes on top with the onion. And look at that. It looks amazing. It looks like it's going to be delicious. I know it is. Look at that. Alright guys, so I am going to cut into this juicy steak. I want to cut it against the grain. Let me make sure I'm cutting it against the grain. Alright. Oh my goodness. Easy to cut, and look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. Alright, you can have the first bite. All right. That just has bursts and bursts of flavor. That is so good. You do not need a steak sauce when you have good seasoning and a good steak. Y'all try this. It's the Keto Spice Blends, all-purpose keto seasoning, Keto and Paleo friendly. Y'all, and you all as my viewers can get 15% off your first order, and you go to www.sincerelylegenia and order it there. Use my promo code Tracie21, Tracie all capital letters. I'll put it right here, but Tracie21, y'all. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. That is so good. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll go get that seasoning. I'll put everything in the drop down description box below this video. So good. So good. I'm going to try some of her other flavors too. That's what I want to do. Wow. Alright guys, I'll see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Share this video, thumbs me up, and try that recipe. And get this seasoning from Sincerely Legenia. Alright guys, love you. See you later. Bye.